Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If today is the first time coming across my channel, kindly do me the favor to hit the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so that anytime I post an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. Now today I'm just going to teach you another simple mobile strategy you can use to trade both Forex and synthetic indices. But I normally tell you guys that mobile strategy are usually for scalping, most especially when you are new to trading platform, so that you don't go and hold trade for too long and at the end of the day you end up losing totally or losing part of your equity, so that you don't come here and start lamenting that the strategy doesn't work. In my next video I'm going to give you 10 reasons why you should not depend on mobile indicator strategy as a new beginner, because whatever has advantage also have disadvantage. But for today, I assure you that when you follow the conditions necessary for entry and exit, definitely you will see good outcome. Before I proceed, there is a strategy I normally teach people, whereby I put in some softwares in place and also some detailed video that is going to guide you on how to use those software and how you can really determine what price is doing in the forex market or synthetic market, and how you can trade and make better earning trading these assets or these forex pairs. What majority of you don't know is that you think trading is a gambling platform. No, and trading is not a thing of luck. So you need somebody to mentor you, you need guide, you need materials in place that will channel you to the right decision making. For today, let me show you the result for today on that strategy. This is on I traded the volatility 75 index. You can see this is over $78, and all these traders won't take up to 1 hour. So when you have this software in your possession, you'll be able to read what price is doing. You'll be able to tell what price is doing. So it's not just depending on indicators alone. Indicators alone will not make you a professional trader. That is just the plain truth. And majority of the new traders out there, over 98%, are not earning consistently trading forex. So that is why when you tell them there are tools or materials in place, majority of them find it difficult to believe if those things are going to work out. So this is just part of the profit. If you have been watching my previous video, you see others on forex pairs such as gold, and everyone who subscribed to this training class, I add them to a WhatsApp group where I mentor them, I educate them, even sometimes I teach them how to analyze charts with those materials. So if you are interested, you can check out my WhatsApp number in the description below, so that you can get in touch with me and you become member of this amazing community where your trading journey is assured, not a thing of doubt any longer. So if you don't want to be losing, or you don't want to be probably wasting money on trading, then join this community to learn the better way of trading and how you can make trading uh, another means of earning income with over 90% assurance. So let's get back to today's activity. Now today I'll be teaching you a very simple strategy which you can use to scalp the market either as a beginner or as an old-time trader. So you can see the chart is blank, so we are going to add these indicators to the chart, and I'm going to explain to you how to use them to take your entry and exit. Please, if you are still watching and you are yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button and put on notification bell so that anytime I put out an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. So today, we're just going to be using a very simple indicator settings. Don't worry, it won't. It's not something that's going to be difficult for you to understand. So to add this indicator to our chart, the first thing we do, we need to click on this. We need to click on the icon above. When you click on that icon, it's going to take you to the indicator homes. Now, the first indicator we are going to add on our main chart is the moving average. So click on the F plus icon you can see above. Click on that icon. Then scroll down to where we have moving average. Now click on it. The period is going to be period 50, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. Then you can use any style of your choice. Once you are done, you click on save. Now the second indicator you're going to add is called the RSI indicator. So to get the RSI, go to your main chart. That means click on the F plus icon. When you click on it, it's going to take you to where the indicators are. Now scroll down to oscillators and you see the relative strength index. So when you click on it, the period is period 1, apply to close. Style, the style should be your background color. If your background is black, use black, and if your background is white, use white. Now the levels, we have the 90, 80, 20, 10, and 9 respectively. So the 90 level are description of strong sell. That means when price is at that zone and the conditions are met, we have opportunity to go short. That means you sell. Why the level 9 is strong buy? When price is at that zone, you expect to take buying opportunities. So you can use the style, leave the style on any color of your choice. Once you are through, you click on save. So the third indicator we are going to add is called the MACD indicator, the MACD indicator. And we are going to add that one on the window 1. So you click on the F plus icon in window 1. When you click on it, now you look for the MACD. It's under the oscillators also. Here is it. Now click on the MACD and it has the following settings. The fast EMA should be 16. The slow EMA should be 30. The MACD SMA should be 13. Then apply to close. The main should be your background color and you should use one pixel. Then the signal line should be red or any color of your choice. Then you click on save. So the last indicator we are going to add on the window 1 is the moving average. So you click on the F plus on the window 1. Now add the moving average with a period of 1. So change that 50 to 1. Your shift should be 0. Method should be linear weighted. Apply to previous indicator data. Then the color should be any color of your choice. I'm going to use green. Then you click on save. So by this we are through. So you can go back to your main chart and see the settings. Now when you come to your main chart, you'll notice that You can use any time frame of your choice, but the higher the time frame, the stronger the signal. Now, for you to take sell entry, the first condition is we need to see the price below the 50 moving average, and when we have the green line, which is the moving average, crossing below the red line at the level 80, level 90, that is when we open for sell. When we have a confluence like that and price is below level the moving average, we open for sell opportunity. Now, the reason why we decide to choose to trade when price is below level 60, it increases the probability of price going down. But when price is above level 50, it's indicating that price is still bullish. So in such scenario, you might not price might not go too far before it reverses, because there's tendency that price is going to bounce back all the way up. So when you look at that crossover, you will notice that it didn't cross properly. Price dropped to some level, and what next? Price started moving towards the upside. Remember that as a beginner, you are scalping with this strategy, so it will be very, very important that you don't hold trade for too long. Now, for those of you who have been following my channel for a while, you also know that I love using other trend indicators to enter trade when I have two conditions aligning. What did I mean by two conditions aligning? Let's say, for instance, if I add the third indicator to this chart, if the condition of that indicator and the window one aligns, then I won't hesitate to take this sell trade and I will exit immediately. And which indicator am I talking about? I'm talking about the ADX indicator. It helps you to measure the strength of price at some point using the positive DI and the negative DI. So for that reason, I'm going to add the ADX to this chart. Then we are going to look once again to this entry we got at first. Possibly we would have entered that trade and we would have made little profit if the condition of the ADX and the window one aligns. So click on your N icon or your F icon, click on the main chart and add the first indicator. It has period of 15. Positive DI should be green, negative DI should be red, and level should be 20. So once you are through with these settings, click on save. Now coming back to our chart, earlier on I told you if we should follow the condition for only the main chart and window one, we would have not taken that sell trade, right? And we would have missed it. We would have been waiting till price definitely give us another sell, whereas we would have missed that trade. But now combining the window one and the ADX chart together, you will have seen that that trade will have been on profit with it. Anytime price is far or distance from your level 50 and you have a sell condition which align but price is above your level 50, the only way you can scalp that opportunity is make sure your negative DI cross above level 20 and your positive DI cross below level 20. When this condition align, it is telling you that there is more pressure or more strength for sell trade to come up, and even if at all there is a spike, it won't affect you that much. And don't forget to always apply risk management. So when this condition align at first, that means when we have our positive our negative DI crossing above the level 20 while our positive DI cross below level 20, then we have these conditions here. Then we will have taken a sell at some point and put our stop loss at the swing high. So we will have been able to milk the market to some extent before price will definitely reverse totally towards the opposite direction. In this case, you won't hold the trade for too long. Probably maybe after 2 candles, you close it, which can give you above $1 or $2 plus. So this is how you scalp, and at the end of the day, you will notice that you've grown your little account to something very big. Exactly, guys. So this is the condition for sell. Now let's check for a buying condition. In a buying condition, we will only take buy opportunity when we have our price above the level 50, following the level in wing chart and window 1. If price should be above level 50, and we have the green line crossing above the red line within the level 9 and level 10 to 20 region. So when we have such conference, we will take buy. But following the third scenario, you notice that this point in time, despite that in your window 1 there was a good buying condition, price was at that zone, but price was below level 50 in the main chart. And when you check your ADX, your positive positive DI should be crossing above level 20, while your negative DI should be crossing below level 20. That is when the probability of buying will be now strong. But in this case, the condition didn't meet or didn't align, so it was not a good one. But if we should move further, you will notice that at some point the condition later took place. We have our positive DI above level 20. Already the green line has crossed above the red line within the level between level 9 and 20. And lastly, price has finally crossed above our moving average. So this is when you will have opened for buy, and then you will have milked the market a little, then you opt out immediately. So this is how you use this strategy to scalp or to scalp the market, be it forex market or synthetic indices. Now, in the forex market, you need to be up to date with the economic calendar so that whenever this condition aligns for price to either buy or sell, make sure we are not expecting high impact news on that particular currency for that day, so that it doesn't affect your account. Because when the news comes up and it takes you unaware, definitely if you didn't apply your risk management like stop loss, price will definitely drain your account within a twinkle of an eye, most especially for those who are using small equity. So when you are doing this, always remember to be very careful and don't take any don't overtrade, and don't be careless by opening too many positions, and don't do without risk management, so that you don't see your account go down within a twinkle of an eye. So I believe with this strategy, you can still go and make some good scalping for yourself on any pair. But remember, I told you that when you are using or you are solemnly depending on your mobile indicator as a beginner, the probability of you making consistent profit is very low. This is just being me being truthful to you, so that you don't feel maybe you are not destined to trade. No, trading is more advanced than just depending on your mobile indicator for scalping. So if you want something concrete, like I said earlier, don't hesitate to message me via my WhatsApp. And when you message me via my WhatsApp and you are able to join the community, then we'll expose more things to you on what price does, on how you can track price, and how you can take good entry and good exit. So with that being said, please, if you are still watching up to this point and you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and make sure you put on your notification bell. Don't hesitate to also share this video so that it can go viral for others to also benefit from it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.